We are having a wind advisory, and Mozzie decided he wants to go outside in this. Can you see how tall these pine trees are? That is fucking crazy. Then we have our scary tree. The scary tree is that one. Oh, but the moon's cool. Look at those motherfuckers go. Look. Isn't that crazy? These are like 50-foot tall trees. Oh, there's a lull. Isn't that insane? Oh, now there's a lull again. But the moon is fabulous. Oh, my dead plants I forgot to take in the house. Oh, but this is our deck. Ooh, it's pretty big. Mark rebuilt this whole thing. And we have comfy furniture. It's really comfy to sleep on. More trees going crazy. Wow! Holy shnikes! Okay, crazy trees. Okay, that's enough crazy trees.